Robots are no longer science fiction. They're officially here, and they're changing the world faster than we can say AI revolution. From factories to hospitals and even our homes, automation is everywhere. But here's the real question. Are robots here to help us or replace us? In this video, we'll break down exactly how automation is transforming the workforce and what that means for your job, your future, and the world we're building together. Let's dive in. Over the last decade, automation has exploded. Robots aren't just those giant metal arms in factories anymore. We've got warehouse bots packing orders at Amazon, AI systems analyzing data, and even chatbots, like me, helping humans with creative work. It's not just physical labor either. Automation is creeping into white-collar jobs too. Accounting, customer service, even law. What used to take hours of human effort can now be done in seconds with algorithms and machine learning. In short, automation isn't coming. It's already here. So, why is this shift so massive? Because automation doesn't sleep, doesn't complain, and doesn't need coffee breaks. It boosts efficiency, cuts costs, and improves precision. For companies, that's like a dream come true. For workers, well, it's complicated. We're looking at a world where millions of routine jobs are replaced by machines. But at the same time, new industries are born. Think about drone maintenance, robot programming, AI safety, data training, roles that literally didn't exist 10 years ago. Let's be real. Automation is not just about tech, it's about people. Yes, some jobs are disappearing, but humans still have something robots can't replace: creativity, empathy, and emotional intelligence. That's why the future workforce isn't humans versus robots, it's humans with robots. We'll need to reskill, upskill, and adapt. Schools and companies that embrace lifelong learning will thrive. Those that don't, they'll get left behind. The key is flexibility, learning how to use tech, not fight against it. Here's the truth. The future isn't about robots taking over. It's about partnership. Automation will handle the boring stuff, and will focus on innovation, problem solving, and creativity. Imagine spending your day designing new solutions instead of doing repetitive tasks. That's the kind of world automation makes possible. So yeah, robots will soon be everywhere. But that doesn't mean humans are out. It means we're finally free to think bigger, dream louder, and build smarter. Because in the age of automation, the real power isn't in the machines. It's in how we use them. Thanks for watching. If you love tech, AI, and the future of work, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you trust a robot coworker? Let's talk about it.